Picture this. You have $20 million in your account right now, and you are the only person in your entire circle who has it. 6 months ago, you were all the same cheap apartments, same group chat, roasting each other, same one day, we're going to make it conversations at 2 a.m. over $5 pizza. Then you actually did. First thing that changes, the jokes stop being jokes. When you said, I'm going to be rich last year, they laughed with you. Now you say it and the room goes quiet because it's not a dream anymore. It's a reminder of what they didn't do. Week 1, your phone starts buzzing differently. It's never congratulations. It's always, bro, can I ask you something? Your cousin who left you on red for 8 months, he just remembered your family. Your old co-worker who said your business idea was not good. Now, she has a small opportunity she wants you to look at. And here's the pattern you notice. Before anything else, every single conversation now ends with an account number. They've already done the math on your life. Your uncle calculated what 2% of your net worth should do for the family. Your childhood friend decided your wedding gift to them should have been bigger because you can afford it now. Nobody ever asks what you sacrificed. Nobody asks how many years you worked while they were at brunch. Nobody asks why you were the one in the basement at 3 a.m. while they were sleeping. They just see the outcome and divide it among themselves. Phase 2 is worse than the requests, is the guilt. Your mom doesn't say it directly. She just mentions how your sister is struggling while looking at your watch. Your group chat starts forwarding posts about giving back to the community with you tagged. And the line that will break your heart, someone you love will look you in the eye and say, I'm not asking for me, I'm asking for my kids. They learned exactly where to aim. And the second you say no, watch what happens. You didn't say, I don't love you. You didn't say, I forgot where I came from. You said, I can't fund that. But what they hear is, you don't matter anymore. And they will punish you for it. Within a week, the narrative is locked. You changed. You think you're better than everyone. You forgot your roots. And the cruelest part, the people saying this the loudest are the ones who never checked on you when you were broke, never asked if you'd eaten, never believed in what you were building. But now that you have proof that you were right, you are now the villain. And here's what nobody on the internet will tell you about making it first. The money doesn't isolate you. The expectations do. The guilt does. The realization that you were loved conditionally does. You walk into a room full of people you've known your whole life and feel like a stranger. Because every hug now feels like a pitch meeting. Every I missed you sounds like a down payment on a future request. You're not lonely because you're rich. You're lonely because everyone around you turned your success into their emergency fund. And you're the only one who sees it. So I'm going to ask you something and I need you to actually sit with this. If every single person in your life disappeared the moment you stopped paying for their problems, were they ever really there? The version of you that could have used help, that needed someone to believe in them, that was eating ramen and questioning every decision they ever made, nobody showed up for that person. But the version of you with a bank account that has commas in it, everyone's got a seat at that table. Remember that, because the people who deserve to be in your life are the ones who were there before the commas. Here's what you do. Build your circle before the bag. Vet people when you have nothing to give but your time, because that's the only filter that works. And once you make it, protect it. Say no without explaining yourself. Let people call you changed, because what they really mean is you're no longer controllable. The right people will celebrate your no's as much as your yeses. Everyone else was just waiting for their turn. Money doesn't change you. It reveals everyone around you. Follow for more truths they won't tell you at the dinner table.